Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching guys how to fix the issue with Roblox where your avatar is not loading or rendering on your profile. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually fix this is quite simple, and you guys may find it surprising that all it really takes is a simple log out of your account and logging in with a different account and then back to your main account. So it's a bit of a weird bug that Roblox has where if you don't see your avatar like so, as you can see, or let's say that, let me actually switch windows here real quick. If I were on the browser site version for Roblox, so I'm going to switch over to Chrome real quick. So here we are. And I were to go to the avatar page and it wouldn't fully render my character. Okay, so you can see that it's showing my character and how he looks and everything. But let's say that it's just a green it's just the background. What you guys need to do is you need to log out of your account and log in with a different account and then log out and then back in with your main account. Now, it's a bit of a weird fix, but it actually does work, and it works for both the browser version as well as the launcher. So let me actually go back to the launcher here real quick. And that's really all it takes. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So everything Roblox related and so on and so forth, tutorials and whatnot. So if you guys want to see more of those, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And with all of that said, thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.